My name is Amaya Inti Poweres Fernandez, and I study BA Fine Art Photography at Camberwell College of Arts. I would describe myself as a multimedia performance artist. In the beginning of BA Fine Art Photography, I found myself doing performance art and dabbling in installation. Always led by photography, but never trapped in it. Camberwell to me means freedom and play. Never felt pigeonholed, always felt supported by all members of staff, from tutors to technicians, even the security staff. For my degree piece, I welcome you to La Matrice. I welcome you to come in, have a sleep, have a chill next to the altar to my mama and hers and ours, and stay and participate in the performance Creando la Luz, a ceremonial birth dance. During my second year of photography, I was looking into accessibility and disability in the arts. And I was thinking about the future of photography and how it needs to be multisensorial. And my practice needs to facilitate that. I ended up making videos for the womb installation by superimposing found footage and animating images on top of it. I created a sound piece using also found sounds and the sounds of my mother chanting. It's all very intuitive. In conversation with my tutors, I was asking about my next steps, thinking about graduating, scared. I see myself coming back to Camberwell, actually. I want to help support and facilitate the community here. I want to continue learning in this amazing space. I also want to make puppets and kinetic sculptures.